So these are the 5 things that I did that allowed me to be able to pass nursing school while working part-time, being a content creator, and actually having a healthy lifestyle that allowed me to be in the best shape of my life. And the last one will honestly shock you. Number one, use your commute times and your free time effectively. Any small time that you get, this is the time when you need to sort out any administration, reading through PowerPoints, collecting or finding videos that you need to go through, doing flashcards, editing videos, sorting out your meal plan, etc. Any free time that you have, you need to use it wisely and effectively. Yes, it might seem like you're shutting out people, but this is the only way that you're going to get all the small stuff out of the way. Second thing is you need to be fully present in class and also during your clinical placements because you are learning a lot during these classes, and this is the time for you to make sure that you're understanding the stuff that you're going to be studying, you are understanding the topic, and also you're asking the questions that you need. This will save you time when you're studying because you don't have to study as hard as you would have if you didn't understand the concept. So if you understand the concept, the time that you study is going to be so much easier and you have all your questions answered and you know which part of the topic is the most important that will be covered in the exam. Third thing is a bit controversial, but you need to type your notes instead of writing it down. Writing it down, it takes forever. Yes, the same when you write your notes, you're able to conceptualize better what you're writing because you get to summarize things because you don't want to write as long, etc. But in university, your time is limited. As a result, if you can type your notes, things go much faster. You can copy and paste. You can bring different resources together in a much quicker way than when you are writing down. And as a result, the time that you're saving while you're typing, copying, and pasting your notes, then you can dedicate that time to actually sitting down and studying your work. The fourth thing is you need to have a routine. You need to know when you wake up, what is the next step? When you get to school, what do you do? After school, what do you do? What are you studying? You need to have these things set out so that you're not using extra mental capacity to try to figure out now what you're supposed to be doing. If you know the general routine of your life, you can schedule your life much better and accordingly, and you save a lot of time. And the last thing is you need to skip classes. Hold up, hold up. This is what I mean by skipping classes. There is certain lecturers or there's certain lectures where you know the lecturer is just regurgitating what is on the PowerPoint, or they take so much time to get themselves organized that half the class is spent on organizing the class, and then only about 20 minutes of the class is them actually teaching. So if there's a class where the lecturer is just repeating what is on the PowerPoint, or you feel that you can self-teach the content, then those classes I'd rather say skip, then you can use that time effectively to get your studying in and you don't waste your time in those classes.